you logged out of your Facebook because of two-way authentication? Well, you are not alone, because in this video I'm going to walk you through step by steps on how you can recover your account in case you've been locked out of your account due to two-way authentication. If you have not received text messages via code, or you have lost access to your recovery method. Okay, all right, I did a video on how to turn on two-way authentication. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to link it up in the description so you could check it out and watch it. So this particular video is to help you and fix the problem, and I can also give you more insight on how you can set it up. Okay, so this is what you will do. So you head over to your Facebook. I can see that already I've turned on two-way authentication on this particular profile. Do you understand? So these are the way you can, okay, these are the way you can get your login code. Maybe if somebody elsewhere is trying to log into your Facebook account, these are the various way you can get the code, right? So this is the authentication app I'm using. If you have to use an authentication app for your code, this is the app I'm currently using. You can see this authenticator here. That's the app I'm using. It's either I can receive the code from the app, I can get the code on my WhatsApp, I can get the code on my SMS, or I can use here recovery code. So let me click on the authenticator app. When I click on it, you can see that I've turned it on, right? And this is the app I'm using. So if I still want to add another app, I can click on here to add it. Then this is where I can receive code on my SMS or WhatsApp. You can see SMS or WhatsApp. This is my number. So if somebody elsewhere is trying to log into this account, first of all, I'll get notified. They can either send a code to my SMS or my WhatsApp. But in a situation whereby a code has been sent to you on your WhatsApp and you haven't received the code for you to confirm the login, make sure you check if your phone has a signal and can receive SMS. Also, make sure that you check if you have blocked message from unknown senders. You can also check the code in your spam folder, your SMS spam folder. That's number one. Sometimes the delay might be due to network signal under your particular network, right? You might have network signal from MTN, from Airtel, depending on the line you are using. So you need to check that. Then the second way is for you to request a new code. If you haven't received the code, then you will see option to click to request a new code, and a new code will be sent to you, and that's it. And make sure that the phone number you entered is correct. Make sure you enter a correct phone number for you to be able to receive your authentication code. Make sure you enter a correct phone number. That's the second method. The third method is by using a backup code. If you have not set up your backup code, you don't need to do that. So for you to set your backup code, you click a see additional method here. So you are going to click on that. So when you click on the additional method, you can see recovery code. Use this code when you don't even have access to your phones. Okay, maybe in case your phone is stolen or your phone is lost, you know that you don't even have access to your phone, you can make use of this recovery code. I can turn it on. Mine was not on before, but I'm just going to turn it on right now. You can see these are the list of the recovery code on this account. Okay, I've turned it on already, so let me go back. So you can make use of this code in case you don't have access to your phone at all. You can make use of that code, right? So another one is using an authenticator app. If you cannot use the recovery code, if you cannot use the SMS or WhatsApp, you can choose to receive the code through your authenticator app. You can see that mine is on already. You can receive the code from there, and that's that. Then when you are so another way is for you to try to log in from a recognized device. Try logging in from a recognized device where you previously logged in. This might bypass the two-way requirement, but this only lasts for a temporary time. Okay, this is how you log in from a recognized device. When you under this password and security, you will see where you are logged in. When you click on that, you are going to see the list of phones, the list of Android devices, iPhones, PC, where this my account is previously logged in. You now click on see more. Okay, let's assume you now see Samsung Galaxy A51. This device I'm using currently in Enugu, Nigeria. This device. So you now see a list of phones and where this phone has been logged in. In case I don't have access to this my Samsung phone, I can equally use my Infinix phone, which is this one, and go try to log in, and I will have access to the account. This is another way for you to bypass using two-way authentication, right? So that's that for that, and it will show you the location where this device was logged in, date, and the particular time that this device was logged in. So that's that for that. So another way is for you to contact Facebook support. How do you contact Facebook support? So help and support, you click on it, you now click on report a problem. When you now click on report a problem, first of all, if you are having issues trying to log in, you need to screenshot that problem that you have before you come to this particular aspect. Because you reporting a problem to Facebook, you need to provide Facebook with the screenshot of that problem that you have. And when you come here and click on report the problem, you see continue to, they will ask you to go back and check your phone. I don't advise you to use this method. So this is the method I've been using and it worked very fine. You click on continue to report a problem. So when you click on that, just give it a little time to load. Click on include. Then you will now be asked to select product. This product, where are you having the problem, right? Not for not for it to select. For me, I would say my profile because this is my profile, not my page. So you see profile here, you click on it. I mean, this is the reason why I told you that you need to screenshot where you have that screenshot of that as like you now upload the screenshot of where you are facing the problem and you now click here to send, right? So then the last thing is for you to verify your identity. If you are still unable to log into your account, Facebook might ask you to upload a copy of your ID on Facebook. Could be your passport, could be your national ID. Always be ensure that your contact details are up to date. And also consider setting up multiple methods to avoid being locked out. You can see on my phone, you can see that the, the app method is on, the SMS WhatsApp method to receive code is on, and the recovery code is on. You can see that all these methods are on my phone. Please guys, this is the end of this tutorial. Do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow this page for more tutorials, and bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, leave your comment in the comment section.